Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Yahoo password with two-step verification. So, first of all you want to open your browser, and in my case this is the Google Chrome, and then you want to go to the page yahoo.com. So let's open the browser once again, and then if you are using Google or anything else or any other browser, it doesn't matter. Just in the URL address you want to type yahoo.com. Then while you're on your main page you want to go and sign in to your account, and as you can see I do have the password saved. So next, and then I'm going to need an email code for the two-step verification. So now I need to read the email that Yahoo sent me to another email that I added as a two-step verification. If you are using another type of the two-step verification, you're just going to be asked for the code on the app, or just click on your mobile phone on the notification to log in. But I'm using the mobile number, another mobile number, and the another email account. So once you're logged in to your account, you want to go to Overview. Then you want to click here Change Password, but if you can't find it in this section right here, just go to Security, and then you want to click to change your password. Here you are going to be asked to type a new password, so let me write another one, then continue, and as you can see now my password is activated. So this is it. This is how you can change a password with a two-step verification. If you are constantly logged into your account on your PC or your phone, you are going to be asked for two-step verification, I guess. But as I logged in 5 seconds ago to this account, the Yahoo didn't ask me for another two-step verification. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.